How to delete Activision account permanently. So all you have to do is to tap on activision.com there, open your account, sign in your account, and it will lead you here, right? Now, the next thing that you want to do to be able to delete your account is on the left side, you will see these four options here. You will see account linking, basic information, preferences, privacy, and security. Tap on privacy and security there, and what I want you to do next is to scroll all the way down up until you see this deactivate Activision account or Call of Duty game data associated with Activision account. So if you wish to delete your account, please visit the privacy and data protection here, and it will redirect you here to support.activision.com/privacy. Now, the next thing that you want to do is here there's two options here. It's either to check my case status or to submit a new request. Tap on new request there, and these options will come out. And just tap here your current residency here, and then tap on I have read the above terms and I confirm my eligibility, and tap on proceed to privacy. Now it will redirect you again, and it will look like this. Now you will be able to select a request type. So since we want to delete your account, then tap on delete my personal information, right to erasure. Now after that, you will be asked to choose your account. So since we want to delete our Activision account, tap on Activision there, and it will ask for your username and your password there. If you're done checking on I'm not a robot here, there's an option to actually, there's a button here to that will ask you to confirm your deletion of your account, and basically that is how you delete your Activision account permanently. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.